Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making a spooky cute Halloween Decoden craft. I'll be decorating this plain paperclip holder with simulation cream and some adorable Halloween charms. Let's get started. A couple of tools I always start with are a turntable and masking tape. They help keep everything in place while I'm decorating. Since I'm working on a clip holder, I wanted to make sure the surface stays perfectly flat. This DIY cream tends to slide when it's still wet. A piece of styrofoam works perfectly to hold it steady. Let's start piping the base layer first. The cream I'm using is somewhat liquidy here and there, but that's totally fine. Once we add all the charms, you won't even notice. I ended up using one 50-gram tube for the base and went over it twice to make sure it was neatly covered for a fuller look. For the top layer, I'm using glitter cream. This one dries a little translucent, so it gives a shimmery effect when it's done. The texture is thicker compared to the black cream, which means it keeps its shape really well even after drying. It's very fun to do this part. I found these adorable Halloween animal charms I bought last year. I never had the chance to use them though, but now I'm totally in a Halloween mood. This is my biggest Decoden project so far, and it's definitely been a fun challenge. Of course, it wouldn't be Halloween without the classic spooky colors. While I'm still practicing my piping skills with each project, the cream doesn't need to look perfect at all. I like filling my craft pieces with as many charms and little extras as possible. The more, the better. It's also a handy trick to disguise any messy spots. I'm popping on a few more accessories and adjusting their placement until it feels just right. Since there's still time before everything fully dries, I can even move around and sneak in some extra deco items. Here's the finished look after letting it dry for over 48 hours. I'm so happy with how it turned out to be. Spooky, cute, and perfectly Halloween themed. It's going to look so adorable on my metal cabinet too, since this paperclip holder has magnets on the back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cute DIYs. Let me know in the comments what theme I shall try next, and happy Halloween!